Set up the public IP address and RTSP port for the Homaxi equipment. After setting up the equipment's public IP address and RTSP port, go to the Immix page. Log into your Immix account and click Setup to go to the setting page. Add a site. Put the site name. Choose the time zone. And type other info if needed. Then click the Next button. If needed, put the logo or note on the Logo and Notes tab. On the Devices tab, click Add a device. On the Device Details page, choose Video Devices as Device Type Filter. Choose Homaxi as Device Type. Type the title. Type IP or host info and port in connection details. Type the Homaxi equipment's username and password. Type the RTSP option names. After putting all the information into the connection details, click Camera Preview to test the live view. The camera number is the channel number. For the IPC, please keep the number as 1. For the NVR, please type the channel number you want to preview. Then click the Connect button. Then, the live view will be displayed. After the live view is displayed, you also can put the different camera number for NVR. Then click the Change Camera button. Put the total camera number as number of camera. For example, for the IPC, put 1 as number of camera. For the NVR, the number is the total channel number. For example, if you put 3 in the number of camera, Immix will automatically add the first 3 cameras in the system. Then click the Done button. Then, it will go back to the Devices tab. If you need to add more devices to that site, continue to click the Add a Device button. If no more equipment needs to be added, click the Next button. On the Cameras tab, you can see the camera list and preview or edit the camera. If there is no update, click Next to continue. For the Multi-View tabs, click the Add a Multi-View button. Put the multi-view name in the description and choose the cameras to be in this multi-view. Then click the Done button. For the alarm type, click the Add an Alarm button. Choose Alarm as the type. Choose the related alarm type. Here is the related form between Homaxi Immix. Put the channel hashtag for this device as the input. Type the priority. Type the event name as the title. Type the runaway threshold. Type the runaway minutes. Choose the auto handle. Then click the Done button. Then it will go to the alarm actions. Choose the action. Choose the camera. If you choose the record camera, it needs to type the number of seconds to record. Then choose the record quality. Click the Done button. Then it will go to the Current Alarm Actions for XXX page. You could click Add an Alarm Action to add another action for this event. Set other tabs as needed until go to the Summary tab. And you will get the site summary report from Immix. In the summary report, you will get your Immix SMTP server address and the email address for that equipment. Go to the Homaxi Equipment Web GUI. Click Set. Network. Advanced. Email. Put the SMTP server, which is shown in the Immix summary report for that equipment. Leave username and password as blank. Put 25 as the port. Put the email address that is shown in the Immix summary report for that equipment in sender and receiver 1. Click the Save button. Click the Mail Test button to test. If there is a new test message sent successfully popping up in the right down corner, that's mean there is a test message that was sent to Immix successfully. For the NVR, it also supports setting up the email schedule for the different channels. Go back to Immix website, Alarms, you could see the test alarm was sent by Homaxi equipment. Click the test alarm, then you can see the more detailed information. Go back to Homaxi IPC Web GUI. Click Set Event, Basic Event. After enabling the event and setting up the event rule, click the Actions button. For the NVR, choose the Send Email and Snapshot File settings, then choose the correct channel hashtag. Click the Save button. Then once this event is triggered, Homaxi equipment will send the email to the Immix. In the Immix Alarms page, you will see all the events with 5 pictures. In the details, you can see the event type and equipment name. If you get any questions for the setup, please contact support@homaxi.com.